Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Basic ICT PNG. And this video falls under the topic Word 2019, and here we would name and identify some main features of Microsoft Word 2019. Now let's name some common features of Word 2019. To do this, let's look at this document called Common Features of Word 2019. Here, one of the first common feature would be the document title bar. This document title bar contains the file name, file extension, and the application. We also have sign-in options, ribbon display options, restore or maximize. We also have minimize and close buttons. Then we have the quick access toolbar. We have command tabs, we have backstage view, we have the ribbons, and on the ribbons we have groups, commands, drop down menus, galleries, dialog box launcher, right? Also we have the dialog box. Then we have the status bar, and on the status bar we have the page count, word count, views, zoom control. There also we have a document area, and there's also a feature called rulers. Rulers, we have a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. We also have scroll bars in Word 2019. We have horizontal scroll bar and a vertical scroll bar. There is also a feature called live preview. We also have a feature called super tooltip and a feature called mini toolbar. So in this video, we will be identifying all of these features, putting these names to the features. Now that we know the names of some of these common features, we will put these names to the features. In other words, we identify where each of these features are located in the Word application. Right, let's start with the document title bar. The document title bar, this is called a document title bar. As you can see, here's the name of the document. The file extension here is .docx, and dash, that's the application, which is called Word. After the dash, that's Word. All right, so that's the document title bar. Sorry, that's the one there. Then we have on the right side of the document title bar, we have sign in, ribbon display options, minimize, restore down or maximize button. Then we have the close, and we also have share. They're all on the right side of the document title bar, these commands here. Next, we have the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar here. Command tabs. Next, these are called command tabs here. We have home, instead, design. These are called command tabs. Backstage view. Next, backstage view. Now, these are the tabs here. When you click on this, you will still remain in the document working area. Well, when you click on the file tab, it takes you away from the document working area. It takes you to the backstage. Thus, this area is called the backstage view, which is achieved when we are gone through, navigated through when you click on the file tab. This is the backstage view. All right. Ribbons or ribbon. Every tab when clicked will bring out the ribbon of commands. In this case, this is home tab, and it brings out this ribbon here, all the way across here, down this way. This is the ribbon. Under the ribbon, we have what are called commands. Each of these here are called commands. Now, All these commands in the ribbon are further categorized or uh, grouped or what are called groups. So this is a clipboard group here, font group, paragraph group, styles and editing group under home tab. Drop down menus, right. Some commands will have a drop down triangle which is referred to as the drop down menus. So on the ribbon, let's say here the font size command, right side of it has a drop down menu, right? These are examples of drop down menus. Galleries. When you click on drop down menus, then you have gallery. This is a gallery of options. Gallery of options, all right? Dialog box launcher. Next, dialog box launcher. Some groups, these are group names, and some groups will have this feature here, which is the dialog box launcher. Some will not. For instance, in under home tab, editing group doesn't have a dialog box. Dialog box, when clicked, will bring out what is called a dialog box. So each group will have a dialog box. This is a paragraph dialog box because I click on the paragraph dialog box launcher. This is the font dialog box launcher. I click on it, it will bring out the font dialog box. Right. Status bar. Next. This bar right at the bottom of the application is called a status bar. And on the status bar, you have the page counter, the word counter. That's on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you have the document views. By default, the view is print layout. And we also have the zoom control. This area here, next, document area. Area where you type your text is called a document area. And the document area is determined by rulers. The rulers are horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. This is the vertical ruler. That's the horizontal ruler. Next, live preview. Live preview is a feature that is used to see which option to use when you're dealing with galleries. It's related to galleries. So let's say I select live preview here. And if I were to change its font size, I go to the font size command and I go down, like it gives me a gallery of options. I don't select it, I just navigate through, and as you can see there, live preview is going to the different sizes here. All right, that's a live preview. This is called a live preview. I haven't selected it yet, I'm just going through. If I go away from this gallery, it remains. All right. Super tooltip. Next, super tooltip is the label that appears when you point to a command. So let's say, let's point on bold. Bold, the feature that appears there, which gives the name of the command. Those that have shortcut keys will have um, brackets with given shortcuts. Okay, that's the super tooltip. Mini toolbar. Mini toolbar is the feature that appears. This is called a mini toolbar. Right. We've come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.